Welcome to your coffee break with ChinesePod. I'm Charlie.
嗨，大家好，欢迎来到中文播客，我是庆林。
Well, today's dialogue will introduce us to somebody at the airport.
在机场有各种人，有旅行的人，有回家的人，还有什么人呢？
Well, you know what they say, is it business or pleasure? I think business. So somebody on a business trip?
哦，对，出差的人。今天啊，就有一个出差的人在下飞机之前接了一通电话。他们到底说了什么呢？让我们一起来看吧。
Let's get down to business.
喂，林助理啊，
喂，是尼克吗？我在机场，你到了吗？
刚降落，我要出机舱了。
终于到了啊！欢迎欢迎。
谢谢，我的航班延误了半小时，让您久等了，真不好意思。
没事，我在1号航站楼的到达大厅等你。
好，我入关后马上打给您。
不急不急，慢慢来。你要通过边检，还得取行李，这些入境手续是很费时的。
是啊，恐怕得让您再等一会儿了。
没关系，祝你通关顺利，等等见。
So it seems like Nick is on the phone with somebody.
对，林助理。
All right, so they make some small talk, and then we get to a line which I think is very interesting.
让我们来看一下吧。Nick 说：“刚降落，我要出机舱了。”
All right, so Nick says, "Oh, I've arrived. I'm about to leave the plane."
第一个词是降落，降落都是4声，它的意思啊也是往下去的意思。
Yeah, both words means to fall, to drop, or to lower. But together, I think it means to land. I know this because I know the word for parachute in Chinese.
哦，降落伞。
So while we're at it, do you know the word for take off?
起飞。
Now, do you know what a 起飞伞 is?
起飞伞有这个东西吗？
Oh, yes, of course.
我不知道。
Oh, I know a word that Lin doesn't know. Well, to understand his word, you got to watch the movie Mary Poppins.
不要开玩笑了，让我们回到对话吧。我要出机舱了，机舱。
Okay, that's pretty much, I'm about to step off the plane, but the word 机舱, I think it means cabin.
舱。
Well, I got a question. What if the cabin is not on the plane? Do we still use 机舱? Maybe it's on a ship?
哦，那不行。船上的舱，我们就叫它船舱。
Perfect. Well, back to the cabin on an airplane. Some cabins are actually very luxurious. 非常豪华的。
非常豪华的。我们叫它头等舱。
That's right. First class. I think that's just a little bit over my budget. Do we have anything cheaper?
哦，比头等舱更便宜一点的，我们叫它商务舱。
That's great too. Business class. But I'm afraid I can't even afford that. Anything else? Maybe nudge a bit?
那也没关系，我们还有更便宜的经济舱。
That's the one that I usually take. Economy.
现在林助理知道 Nick 出机舱了，所以他说：“终于到了，欢迎欢迎。”
Then Miss Lin, the assistant, says, "Oh, you finally arrived. Welcome."
接着 Nick 说：“谢谢，我的航班延误了半小时。”
Then Nick says, "Thank you. Oh, but my flight was delayed for half an hour."
我们先来看一下航班延误。
航班, I think that's flight, right? Well, can we use 航班 with any other way?
当然可以啊。 比如说我在 A1234航班上。
Oh, that's very useful. Like the flight number. What was it? A1234, right? That's the flight number.
好，我们再往下看，航班延误。延误这个词，我们要怎么解释一下呢？
Yeah, I believe that means to be delayed. And the way we use it is we put a time after it. Lynn, do you have any good examples for us?
当然，会议延误了1小时。
So that's the meeting has been delayed for 1 hour.
本来9点就要开会了，结果10点才开，所以会议延误了1小时。
That's all right. I never liked meetings.
接下来他说让您久等了。
So word for word, that means I let you wait a long time, like 让您. But it's pretty much an apology for being late.
有一点抱歉的意思在里面。然后他又说真不好意思。
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.